Welcome back to another slightly outnumbered adventure. Today we take on the San Diego Zoo with our huge family of 19 people. We get up close to different animals throughout the zoo, embark on the double-decker bus tour around the park, and feast our eyes on the back side of water. Stick with us until the end to capture every detail of our epic adventure at the San Diego Zoo.
San Diego Zoo.
Eddie!
You guys want to take a picture?
Go take a picture, guys.
Take a picture.
Cheese! Cheese! Look at it. He's doing a handstand.
It's what?
Zoo time.
Zoo time. Wow. Okay, everybody group up with your families, guys, here.
I'm on the team. Let's go look at the
Alright, let's go.
Hey, let's go look at the
Okay, now you can get it, Caesar.
Hold on, we gotta wait for everyone. Caesar, maybe my dad could.
Oh, this is included.
Yeah, in our tickets.
Oh, cool.
Included in your pass. Okay.
Bus tour time.
Bus tour time. Can I sit by you?
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds peaceful. Should I turn it on now?
Here? Hello.
Left side.
Oh, okay.
Right side.
What do you want to see?
Polar bear. I want
to
to see axolotls. Axolotls.
What do you want to see?
Axolotls.
Where we're supposed to go.
Sit at the front. Sit up front.
And then I'll let all the kids get up and then all the boys follow. And then I'll go next. And we'll just
There's our bus.
We're gonna go.
Got the green bus. Here, I'll sit back here. All right, we are now on this ride. Look at these dudes.
Hi, Caesar. Say hi. Hi. Here, waiting. Ready, Caesar? Ready? Watch out, BB!
Sad is going to grab the toe.
I'm so excited.
Flamingos.
Oh my gosh, it's a floating bucket. I swear a song lights up.
On top of all possible here, we prioritize the care of our plants.
Hippos. So we're on the bus that does the long tour for like 30 minutes, but that bus over there you can get on and off whenever you want at certain stops. Police, Mac, the police!
One of the most iconic marine mammals.
There he is, Mac, right there! Up there on the, he's dirty right there, see him?
You see him?
Did you see him?
Oh my God! Do you see him, buddy?
That is where they're hunting.
Wow!
Back right here. Can you see him? Yeah.
He's so happy.
Another one laying down.
Oh, is
Carbon
there?
dioxide levels
Rock
right
projection.
We're
It's right
essentially
behind me.
seeing this warm blanket.
That's his favorite.
Make sure you get your pictures because we are lifting off in 3, 2,
1.
Because I'm number one.
Bear and squirrel. You guys want to see that?
any guesses?
The lion's right there.
All right. Well, it may come as a shock that it is actually the elephant.
That is not an elephant. Don't listen to her.
That's not
Everybody's really excited to see the lion. I am too.
Down there, Mac, behind me. Look behind me. Over there. See on the tree, right there. It's climbing out on the tree into the sun, way over there. Oh, there's an elephant.
Somebody's trying to make a stick.
Trying to figure out which one that is, because we have 3 males and 1 female.
You guys see the elephant, right? I see
Look, there's a dinosaur.
I see the bull.
As this elephant is by themselves, this is probably our 1 female, Shada. Now, she doesn't get along with our 3 males because that isn't something that typically happens in the wild.
Wow.
Geriatric residents, anywhere from 50 to 60 years old.
Oh, she's an old mama.
Now,
Hump day.
What's up, Grandma? What's up, Grandma?
Birds have wingspans of about 8 feet long. That is the width of this entire bus.
Wow.
So it
That's
just
crazy.
flies out like that.
That's so crazy.
It is crazy. And he ate too much. He's sleeping. Look at him.
Oh, that is so cute.
That dude is goofing over there.
It looks like he's in a little bit of a food coma right now.
Yeah, he does. Dang, look at this floofy dude. He is fluffy.
I want to take it home. He's cute.
Yeah, I don't know, him or her.
They have these really scruffy fur.
Geese. Oh, goosies. Yeah. They're goosing. Geese. Oh, he said Carlo, Jacob.
I was laughing because he's like,
He said Carlo, Jacob, Caesar.
oh, I didn't hear that long.
I heard that. I could speak goose.
Good.
Since right now, bro.
Did you take?
I just learned.
Did you?
Pooh Bear.
Berry.
Grizzly bear. Wow. That dude's tough. Hey, bear.
Fine ball penguins on the left.
Oh, yeah, penguin.
Now, I realize used to think that penguins would live in a fairy tale.
Like and subscribe.
Flamingos. This gift shop is very amazing.
A snake. Oh my goodness, Daddy! He has power! Take it! Look, these are plastic. The hyena. One box. They're solid hard. Wait, they have symbols on it.
Supposed to be a wombat out here. Tasmanian devil. We're here with the giraffes. They're all out. The mama's nudging the baby right there.
That's a mama?
Or Dada. That's probably Papa. Yeah, you're right.
Papa. Some of the spots are darker on that other one than
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. Addie, look.
This is cool. Yeah.
good job, Carl. Zoe did something on Super Vegas. What color is it?
Yeah, but that's not a turkey. That's definitely not a turkey.
It's a bird.
It is a bird. It's called a hornbill bird.
Hornbill bird.
A hornbill.
Yeah. Wait, that's the pinkest one ever. Yeah. It's a white one. It's a white one? Yeah. Yeah. It's so cute. He's giving me and Addie are gonna be best friends in the zoo. Best cousins in the zoo. You know?
Here they come. Here they come. They're gonna strut their stuff. Oh, they're like, check us out, bro.
Checky.
I know.
Sticks.
A lot bigger than I expected.
Like, look at our butts. Looks like we got a cheetah here.
I'm hanging out with this beautiful creature.
There's a 9-year-old cheetah.
I think he has a food coma.
The horn is gone. They cut it off, yeah. Wow.
He has armor.
He does have armor. I know, bro. Thousands. The big boobs. There's a little koala. Sleepy baby.
Food
So
coma.
cute.
Food coma.
So cute.
Food coma.
Food coma again. Food coma has been a common trait between a lot of the animals today.
What's up?
That's a umbrella.
Umbrella.
Hello.
Hey, Joey.
Hi.
Ready, set, go.
Jinx blackout. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Jinx, don't fool Jinx blackout. Why are we even sitting here?
What? Do you guys see anything?
In the ambulance?
Careful, Matthew. It's supposed to be baboons, I think.
Baboons?
Baboons.
I guess,
Baboons.
and I guess,
He's like, y'all calling me?
He's like, I'm bald. He's like, I'm bald.
Baboon! Baboon!
He's like, I'm
Y'all need
bald.
something?
See ya! Where do we go?
Hello.
Oh yeah, right there by the wall.
You see her?
Oh yeah, there's one chilling right there. Bamboons.
There too, you guys see him? Hey, Baboon! What you doing? Baboon!
She's showing us.
One right there. One right there.
There's 3.
Wow.
Is that a cheetah or
This dude is right there. That is cool, dude. A leopard? That's a leopard, not a cheetah. What's up, bro?
How you doing? Hi, Daddy. How you doing? That's
Caesar, you are a monkey, bro. Look at you, dude.
The guy from Madagascar.
Julian?
No, see that? See the brown guy? That's the little guy.
Their swing is going. I don't see him on it, though. Yeah.
It's a turtle! It's a tortoise! I want to see it! It's a tortoise! I want to do it! It's a
Make room
tortoise!
for everybody. Make room for everybody.
Another croc!
You see the one that's happening?
A croc?
A crocodile.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. A crocodile right there. Yes.
Oh, he opened his eyes. He opened his
That thing's crazy, huh? The crocodile. A Western African dwarf crocodile. It's cool, guys.
Bear is in the water. The bear is in the hanging on the look at the top. black one.
Oh, yeah, up there.
Love you. Have fun.
Bye, guys.
Love you guys.
We're out of here, headed back to the car now. We got a long trek in front of us, so we got to go all the way uphill. This is the Francois Langer.
Yep. Look at them right there.
Oh, there's a bunch in there. 1, 2, 3. Don't crash into anybody. All right, we made it to the top. Almost there. I'm not out of breath. It's gonna be the end of this one, guys. If you enjoyed this, coming along for a interesting adventure to the San Diego Zoo, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Cheers, Cece. Cheers, bro.